Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook with the Tidal Stove and Will Canyon of Heartopia Call of Wellness event. Okay, first you're going to talk to Masimo to unlock the Tidal Stove and also the recipe. You're going to track him through the map and visit him. And then just talk to him and you will automatically get the Tidal Stove and also the recipe. Okay, once you get the recipe, you can go to the Tidal stove. The Tidal stove is here. You can go down and you'll find this blue Tidal stove. Okay, click on this cook icon. Oops, I haven't learned the recipe. So now we're going to go to the backpack and learn the recipe. Okay, and then I'm going to use the Tidal stove to cook something. Okay, we have tomato seafood soup and also the grilled squid with fruit jam. Okay, I'm going to select one of the recipe, and since I haven't unlocked the ingredients yet, I'm just going to use the universal ingredient. Okay, now I'm cooking it. Don't forget to adjust the heat level, just like usual. And yeah, that's how you can use the Tidal stove to cook something in the Oil Canyon of Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!